Hey guys, it is Doodlekins here. Today I am going to be doing a room tour. So this is my door. It's a door. It's not that interesting. And when you come in, that's what my room looks like. So as you can see, when you first come into my room, after you've done turning this way, you see my clothing hamper and you see my shelf full of stuffed animals. This is actually my radiator, but it doesn't really come out the top, so I put my stuffed animals on. In this bin, I have hats, I have my cosplay wig, and I have chargers and computer games. This is where I keep all my bags, like my summer bag, one of my book bags, and the book bag that I usually bring with me to places. Right here is usually where I put those pillows, but right now, since my bed is made, they're actually on the bed. So yeah, we make our way over here, and up on the wall we have special art and memories. Like, this is from my best friend who sent me this dog and that dog. He also drew me this beautiful piece of art, and it's of my character Joy, and I really love it. Up on this wall is miscellaneous art, or this is my art all right across here. This is my art right there. That's one of my friend's arts. She drew me. And that's my other friend's art. She also drew me a Shiba Inu and my character Sang and Sporticus. This and that are two doodles that me and one of my friends, Nami, did for us of our characters. They aren't the same characters in both pictures, but they're still there, and I really love it. It's really good and cute. On my closet doorknob, I keep my keychains, like my Kins clips, my Beanie Blue Boos, and my alpaca. And this lovely thing is my very messy desk. This is my YouTube book. You can see I have different plans and stuff. My pen that I used to write in it, scissors, gel pens, a little stuffed zebra, my earbuds, some Pocky, pencils and colored pencils, gel pens, and my little statue of a bear. Here's my bamboo tablet, and there's my Webkinz stuff. And up here is the gifts that my friend Hachi has gotten me over the years. Not over the years, but over the last few months. Hachi didn't draw this. She actually won it for me. Well, she bought it for me of my character Cameron. Yeah. This is my jewelry holder. This is a music box. This is where I keep my money. This is tape, my favorite candy, a tiny baby thermos, another porcelain animal, my character Mike, except in 3D, little pet shops that I still like a lot, this little thingy that I made, rare Pokemon cards, a lemon, a little Flareon, my chapstick, a good luck rock that my friend gave me, a tiny little squishy, and I have this cute little bunny from Mitsuwa that squeaks, and then I got this at Hot Topic, which you saw in an earlier video actually. Another little statue of an animal, my Dave Strider glasses, slime, that's slime too. This is candy that I don't like, I don't even know why it's there. Another pair of scissors, a canvas of my art, a Rectus journal, sunglasses, my deodorant. I just got a whiff of deodorant. Here is my crusty lipstick. It doesn't work that well, but it's still a really nice color. And here's the eyeliner that I use. It's Maybelline Master Precise by Eye Studio. I use full-on black. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye!